Mine just got eaten.
What?
What?
Dude, mine is freaking fucking deep and fighting it.
Mine is. Oh!
Mine's right. Oh, trout.
Trout!
Big
Wow.
trout.
Wow. Yeah! Awesome. Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Austin Moon, and you're watching Salty Moon Fishing. I'm gonna try to make this quick because it's starting to rain on me as we speak. But so originally today, I really wanted to get out and find some tarpon. Got up this morning, the weather did a backflip on me, and it's gonna be raining. So I'm actually going to pick up my buddy Colby here in just a few minutes to go do some sheepshead fishing. We're gonna go hide under a bridge and see what we can do. But real quick, I just wanted to give a shout out to Arlington Bait and Tackle. They are literally my favorite bait shop here in Jax. There's quite a few really good ones, but this is one of my favorite for if I'm going to actually get some baits and stuff, because they have some of the biggest selections here in Jacksonville out of any of the other bait shops. And I'm actually gonna do a video just for these guys here in the future. They're further back, they're in Arlington, Jacksonville, Florida, and I've noticed that a lot of people don't even know that they're around. So I just wanted to draw some attention to them and try to get them some business, because they're really good people. They honestly are the bait shop that always has the bait when the other places don't. So yeah, you guys come check them out. I'm gonna get out of this rain real quick, go pick up Colby, and we're gonna go hide under the bridge and see if we can get some sheepshead today. I'll see you guys out there. All right, calling Colby, telling him to come outside, and we're about to go get these sheepshead.
I'm sorry, but the person you called has a voicemail box that has not been set up yet.
Good morning.
I gotta change my outfit.
Look at this guy. Supposed to be going fishing. He's in here playing basketball.
You got a rod I can use?
I do, but I heard you broke one yesterday.
It was his fault. He's the one that sucked with the trolling motor.
No, he totally broke it before I ever did anything.
Yeah.
I just freaking, you know how like you get hung on the bottom and you'll reel down to it?
Uh-huh.
He reeled down to it and just snapped it in half.
It was under the log. I thought it was on top of it.
In my case, exactly.
All right, guys, so we're putting the boat in the water, but first I need you to say a prayer, because the weather is horrible.
Let it rain, let it rain.
Don't say a prayer about the weather. Say a prayer that we catch some fish today. Oh my gosh, guys, this wind is kicking. Wind is kicking. All right, guys, so we've been sheepshead fishing for about 45 minutes now, and we've had one bite. So we're gonna switch it up a little bit. We're gonna go throw some artificials at some docks and maybe run some grass line, see if we can pull something out of this today. I mean, the wind is kicking. It's horrible out here. Current and wind both are going the same direction, so it's not fun. So we're gonna switch it up.
Oh shit, I got him.
Jack.
I thought I was on the bottom. I thought I was just running the bottom.
Got you a jacker. Sweet.
I was like, man, this thing's freaking, this bottom's serious.
Boom! Perfect release. Alright guys, we're about to catch a ladyfish real quick. Y'all ready? And let it sink. Got him. Wow. Yeah,
No,
do it. Really fast. And then let it sink. Got him. All right, now get off. Thanks. Good fish?
Jack Crevalle.
Jackie.
And it's backy.
Yep, that's why he felt so big.
Look at that thing.
Got him.
Tristan.
I felt it. No, I felt it.
Two Jackies in the boat. Two baby Jackies. At the same darn time. Boom. That's bait right there.
Just cast and reel it.
Yeah, look. Got him. Hey, but when you hook them, do not let slack in the line if you want to catch them.
When they hit this damn thing, they're murdering it.
And they're jumpers. These are baby ones. You get on the bigger ladies.
Yeah, they're fun. Dude, I just got freaking nailed. Oh, that wasn't a ladyfish. Look at the top.
Oh yeah, that wasn't a lady. It's either a jack or a red.
It nailed it. I mean, it was just a heavy thud of a hit, but I was in slack. Damn, we just spooked a red. Look at this. That was a red fish.
Oh yeah.
Big and just swirled out. I'm about to fish this other side. Got him. What's that running across the top right there? Good, thank God. Lady.
This is literally a sloppy double. A sloppy triple? Oh, you got off.
Yeah.
Trebles are gonna kill you with these ladyfish. In the thing. There he goes. I like a pot.
Yeah.
Holy crap, bro.
And that's a good one.
That's not a. This is a good fish.
Or a snook.
No, it's a foul hook.
I was like, damn, yeah, you got a good one.
Dang it, he's not gonna just come off either. Yeah. That's how you get them right there. That sucks.
Dang.
Thought I had a good fish.
Me too. I thought it was gonna be a red or something.
You wanted to be a fighter, huh?
Got him?
Another one.
Huh?
Yeah.
Darn it.
I'm gonna have to get you a video fight one for Mama. That hit stage. God.
I love it when they hit it hard.
Me too. It hit like a lady.
Golly, this sucker's a fighter.
That's gonna be your pattern line.
He's a little bit bigger.
Not that bad of a day.
Better from that far away though. Oh shit, that wasn't a ladyfish, was it?
Oh, I think it is.
No, it wasn't. No way.
No, it's a big lady.
Ah, I was like, that is pulling.
Nice
son.
one. Show the camera that one. Hold him on up there. Yeah.
All right, now.
Oh yeah. God. Mine just got eaten.
What?
I'm playing.
Dude, mine is freaking in deep and fighting its.
Mine is. Oh!
Mine's right. Oh, trout.
Trout!
Big
Wow!
trout.
Wow! Yeah! Awesome! Awesome, dude. It's a good fish.
Good lady.
It's a big old lady.
I'm on him. Go back up a little bit. There.
Are we keeping them both?
We can if you want to. Big fat 20.
Yeah. 20-inch trout. All right, guys. So we brought it in. We got the boat all loaded up, and I'm dropping Colby off right now. We ended up getting just some ladyfish, some jacks, some trout. Yeah, nothing to brag about, but it was still fun, even though the weather was pretty rough today.
Yeah, we just suck, honestly. We're not that good at this. We're guessing our way through it.
Yep, we're figuring it out as we go. But all right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and like the videos if you like it, and I'll see you on the next video.